Welcome to your new home. So glad you could make it out today. This is just over 2,100 square feet of living area, 2 beds, 2 baths, a flex room to the right here. This home was built in 2017, so it's only 3 years young, and it is absolutely move-in ready. As you walk around, notice the furnishings. All of the furnishings are available as a separate purchase. Lots of upgrades to this home. There's $60,000 of upgrades to the builder model, which include the custom window treatments, the travertine window sills, 2-foot expansion to the living room, the laundry room, the garage, and the lanai, all expanded by 2 extra feet. A heated saltwater pool you'll see out back overlooking the golf course, and a whole house surge arrestor. This is the guest wing of the house. A nice guest bathroom with tub shower combo. A good sized linen closet right here on my left. And then this spacious guest bedroom. Off the guest hall is the laundry room with a laundry tub and lots of built-in cabinetry. Also, again, the 2-foot expansion to this space. Pocket door, so if your laundry room gets messy, you can simply close it off. Very nice open concept. To my left, you have your bar area for serving guests. Keep your guests happy with refreshments. Beautifully appointed kitchen, granite countertops. The microwave is installed under the counter, double ovens, a natural gas cooktop, granite composite sink, and I have to show you the nice storage area here for your appliances, your toaster oven, your blender, and there's electrical outlet there for convenience. Nice pantry. And of course, the whole house has diagonally laid tile floors, and then in the bedrooms, the flex room, they have plush carpeting and ceiling fans in all areas. So we'll head into the master next. Nice size master bedroom overlooking the golf course. This is the Skyview golf course. If you're a golfer, you'll be able to enjoy that. We have 2 walk-in closets, a nice master ensuite with a water closet, a true walk-in shower, nothing to trip over as you step in, and lots of space in the shower. 2 sinks, so you don't have to share, a linen closet there on the left. And out to the pool deck. Notice the beautiful pavers. So this pool is an upgrade. It is a gas heated saltwater pool. It has an autofill feature, so no worries with the Florida heat evaporating your water. This particular home is in the maintenance-free section of Terra Vista, which means you will not be mowing your lawn, you will not be doing any landscaping, you won't be trimming hedges, you'll simply be splashing in your pool, out on the golf course, or enjoying the other amenities that this community has to offer. Are you familiar with the community in the area? So Terra Vista is our resort community. It is gated, only authorized people can enter, and we have everything here. I like to say once you move in here, you don't have to leave ever. So from multiple pools, we have a lap pool, we have a outdoor community pool, we have fitness centers, we have an activity center with a full calendar of events going on. We have pickleball, tennis courts, golf courses, restaurants, nice restaurants. We have a dog park. And Citrus County also offers a lot. So Citrus County is on the nature coast of Florida, which means that we have an abundance of outdoor activities, from swimming with the manatees, boating and fishing, kayaking the Rainbow River, hiking the trails, horseback riding, you name it, we've got it. And you're gonna be living it up in the Florida sun. So thank you so much for visiting today, and I look forward to helping you to purchase this home. If you have any questions, please give me a call. I'm your Realtor on Demand, 352-476-3303.